What's up, everybody? Mr. Hernandez here is an example of how we will do math today. Today we're going to talk about comparing numbers. Compare numbers, if you could say it with me. Oh, there we go, it's focused. Alright, so what we have is two symbols. When you see what looks like a big alligator mouth, you have to look at where the mouth is pointing and where the tail is pointing. The number that the mouth is pointing towards is greater than, and the tail is less than. In this example, we see it in the same way. Less than, a little tail, pretend there's a tail there, mouth is open, greater than. We also have number lines. This is a number line. You have this in your folder. The folder that you have is this one. Okay, it should be in there. So, as we continue, we're going to start off with an example. Which is greater? Well, I look at 31 and I look at 36, where they are in the number line. You can kind of tell which one is greater than and which one is less than just by looking at it. But another thing you could use is your place value chart. Sorry for the glare. This little clear, bright reflection is called a glare. So I take 31 and I take 36 and I look at the place value. I start off with the greatest place value of that number, which is the 3 tens in the first number and the 3 tens in the second number. So here I see 3 tens, 3 tens is the same. Then I see that this one has 6 ones and this has 1 1. Which one is greater? This number, 36. So then one way that you could do it is the following. The number that is greater wins. You give it 2 points. The number that is less than gets 1 point. You connect them. Bada bing, bada boom. You have your symbol. Greater than, less than. So if it's pointing this way, I'm going to write it down. Greater than. This little tail over here, the arrow, less than. Bada bing, bada boom. Okay. 31 is less than 36. Let's go to the next number. 401, 406. Next example. Okay. Take my little tissue paper. If you have something, wipe it down. There we go. Okay, so 401, 406. So same way. 401 is about right here in the number line. 406 is over here. You can kind of tell which one is greater. If the number keeps going towards the right, it's greater. It goes to the left, it's less. So I look at the number one more time. Start with the first number. 1, 0, 4, 1, 1, 0 tens, 400s. Next number is 406. 6 ones, 1 1, 0 10, 0 tens, 400s, 400s. It's the same in every other way except this one. This one's greater. 406 is greater. Or 406 wins. Yay! 406 gets the 2 points. 401 gets 1 point. 401 is less than 406. Go to the next and final example. Okay. Ay, 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 hachi, machi. There we go. I'm going to zoom it in a little bit. Okay. So here we have which is greater. Now we're going into the thousands. Okay. So I'm going to erase my old number, which is what you should be doing as well. And I go to the new numbers. Okay. So I start out with 1,300. Okay. 0 ones, 0 tens, 300, 1,000. Comma right there. And 2,000. 0 1, 0 10, 0 hundreds, 2,000. So I start off with the greatest value. I'm sorry, there we go. The greatest value. It's not the ones, it's not the tens, it's not the hundreds, it's the thousands. So I look right away. 1,000, 2,000. Oh, right away, that's bigger. This is the greater than number. This number is greater than. So now I go over here and I look at my number. 2 points to 2,000, 1 point to 1,300. 1,300, 1,300 is less than 3,000. I'm going to give you another example. I have 7,000. and I have 3,000. I'm going to compare those. Okay, in this case, check it out. Okay, in this case, you read it from left. L. This is my left. I'm sorry, there we go. 7,000 compared to 3,000. This is the left. This is the right. This is your right hand. This is your left hand. This is your left hand. Repeat, I made a mistake. Left hand, right hand. Okay? So in this case, I compare the numbers one more time. Okay? 7,000 and 3,000. 7,000 is greater than 3. This is the greater number. I do it from left to right. That's how I read it. So 7,000 gets 2 points. 3,000 gets 1 point. I connect them. Then I say 7,000 is greater than 3,000. Bada bing, bada boom, you are done. That's the examples for today. We're going to try our best. We're going to use this place value sheet. We'll erase it so it's ready for when I see you. There we go, kids. You guys are awesome. See you later.